Hello, this is Mosh Barry. Welcome to this video, and this is how I make YouTube or Vimeo video thumbnails. So first I go to Usign. This is how Usign looks like, and I go to select template and then go to YouTube. Can you see the template types? Click on YouTube. All right, and here you see YouTube thumbnail. Click on this YouTube thumbnail and you'll find a lot of templates ready. Okay, templates ready. You can use any of them and change them. So what I want is usually I want a prominent, very prominent or contrast text. So example, this one is contrast, this one is contrast, everyone is contrast, but I personally like a couple, like I like this one, I like this one a lot. So I'm going to make one now. So for that I will go and choose this. Can you see that? Click use, view and use, click use, and I have to download Flash Player and hit allow. Now, sometimes Usign might ask whether I want to load the previous design that I have done. I usually say no because I'm going to go for new design. So this one is inbox without mailing list. That's going to be the topic. So I'm going to name them properly so that when I download the image, the name is proper. Why? Because now if I download the image, look, as JPEG, the name is correct. You see that? Inbox without mailing list. So I always name correct. So I'm going to delete this image. I'm going to Pixabay and email. All right, I search for email because it's related to email. So I will just click something like that and don't use these sponsored images, use these free images only. Okay, so this is the one, email inbox. Does it look like email inbox? Doesn't look like email inbox. So I will look for something that is closely related to something called email inbox. Email. All right, so let's do this way. Click here, it looks fine. And when I enter my account, it's a free account, I can click download, and I always download 1920 by 1280 size. Download it. All right, and it's downloading here. Awesome. Show in Finder. I'm using I'm using Mac or a Apple machine, so it looks like this. It might be different for your case. If you're using Windows, then now go to upload and then click upload image, and from there drag and drop this computer, right? And you need the real size, the size like this. Awesome. And now click here, the layering, it has to be sent to back. When you send to back, so everything is on top and this one is on top. So email inbox without an email list. Okay, that's the purpose of this video. Now I'll do this. I will go here, and I'll add borders. If I add a white border, it will look good. Awesome. But what if I do yeah, that's right, and maybe the text color, I will change it later. But now currently I want shadow as well. Now this looks good, right? And maybe size, the border size 7 is good. Great. Now I want to change the text color. I think this is good, and I want to change the border. I think this looks much more prominent, so I'm going to do the same here. I'll change the color to white, and the text, the border color would be black, and the border will be 7. Yes. All right. And shadow, only shadow. Yes, that's it. Inbox without email links, and or email marketing. Okay, email marketing without an email list, or inbox without an email list. And unlimited, right? Delete it, I don't need this. Unlimited Google Ads credit. So I just change the size of it a bit. Ads credit, unlimited Google Ads credit. So it looks awesome, right? And now I want to add graphics and go to music and arts, because there is something like this. It looks like you're asking visitors to click the play button, so when they will see it, they would like to click and play. So for that, again, I want a little border to be 0, and as I don't see the text here, I want to change the opacity to like this, right? Is the opacity? No, not this one. Opacity is here. This is the opacity. Looks like this, kinda 50% is great. Looks good. Okay. Oh, by the way, I want shadow. Where is shadow? Yes, shadow looks good now. Opacity should be all 100%. Great, and everything is good. Looks very, very well. And save, because I already named it. If I haven't named it, we can use a different name, inbox without an email list. This is great, right? Very, 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 very cool. And it's loading. I mean, it takes some time to save. Okay, it's saved. Now I'm going to download it as a JPEG file, and JPEG, and let's drop it here in the, or I'm going to save it somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to save it and use it. Now I have uploaded, and I have uploaded the video as well. So I'm just going to the video that I want to add the thumbnail to. Then for that, I want to go to inbox. It is kind of similar in Facebook as well. Sorry, and YouTube as well. So just click upload, and for the inbox without mailing list, how to inbox without, right? So open, and it's adding here. Once it's added, click save, and you see this is how the thumbnail looks like. This is awesome, right? Copy, and now I'm going to use it. That's it. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. This is how it works. Yeah, great. Okay, there is another thing that I do sometimes. Sometimes I in order to make this background image look a little lighter, so that I can focus more on, make the text more prominent or contrast, I add a little, sorry, not text, I will add graphics and go back, and then here shapes, and then I'll add a rectangle, right? Go down, below, yeah, just a rectangle, and I want to do like this, and go back, send backward, right? Now in this situation, okay, oh, I need a little more backward, yeah, so send backward. I think that's all. Now put it here and cover the whole image, and then change the opacity to, you see that when you change the opacity, the background image looks lighter and lighter, so people can focus more on the text. So now it looks quite well, so I don't mind. It's perfect. But yeah, that's what I do as well sometimes. Okay, sometimes. And then save the image. First save the graphic, and then download the image. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.